Hello everybody, my name is John. I'm from Rebel Journey 4x4 and today I'm going to show you how to take out a fog light out of the 2021 Rebel. Alright, so first things first, I always turn the wheel so it faces the outside. You got a few screws here. I usually undo that guy. You got 2 screws there. You got 1 screw down here and 2 of those right there. You got to undo all of them as well as take that rivet out. All right, so once you get those screws out and that rivet out there, turn your wheel in because you'll give you a little bit more room. And you got to get in there and unscrew a couple Torx bolts and a bolt down there and 1 little nut right there. So we'll get on that. Oh, don't forget to disconnect your light as well. So to get those screws out, I used a 5/16 bit. Oh, I don't know. Camera's a little messed up. I use a 5/16 socket. And to get the other bolt out and the nut out of the actual mount for the fog light, I'm using a 10mm socket. So, something else I forgot to mention. You see that little nub right there? You need to push down on this fog light and push the plastic up just a little bit in order to get this out, and it should come out fairly easily. So, once I get the fog light out of the mount there, I just give it a good little cleaning. Yeah, there's some marks on there that won't come off, but give it a little cleaning there. Whether you just want to use soap and water, use Windex, whatever you wish, but it should be fairly easy to get cleaned up anyways. And then we'll apply the yellow film. Up next, if you want to make it a little bit easier, you can undo those 4 bolts right there that you see. That's keeping this fog light in the mount, and it should be should just come out just as is. So once I get the fog light out of the mount there, I just give it a good little cleaning. Yeah, there's some marks on there that won't come off, but give it a little cleaning there. Whether you just want to use soap and water, use Windex, whatever you wish, but it should be fairly easy to get cleaned up anyways. And then we'll apply the yellow film. All right, so this is it. I know it's not the greatest. I'm not the greatest with film. It's my first time doing it, but there we go. So get the little bolts back in there and get her back mounted into the truck. All right, and there we have it. Remember to plug in everything before you start her back up again so you don't have to undo it. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's just applying the yellow film to the fog lights. And I will take it out tonight and just kind of see how well they do in the darkness. But that's it so far. Anyways, have a good one, everybody.